Right, so next pod is from Dave Singleton. I can't see this one being an easy ride. This is a moruga crossed with a jigsaw. I was going to do the Vitali jigsaw, but this one's getting a... No, it's not too soft, it's a little bit soft there. So I thought I'd do this one. Knowing the two pods, it's going to be nasty. Got a little stinger on it. I've also got a butcher tea to do from one of Dave's and a couple of others. And I've also got a massive pod of like 20 odd, I think there's 22 different varieties from a mate of mine sent today, which there are some crackers in there. A lot of them I won't do. I'll just save seeds, and seeds will not be distributed, so please don't ask. This one, like I say, this is the moruga crossed with the jigsaw. Smells strong. Take a few seeds out, don't want to take too many. Little pockets of oil in there. Yeah, on that one you can, don't know if you can see it now, but yeah, it's glistening. Not a very small pod, but like you say, size doesn't matter. This one's gonna, I know for a fact it's gonna hurt me. It's either gonna be the tongue burner or the throat burner. Preferably the throat, to be honest. The tongue burners are fucking horrible. So let's see, Dave Singleton's moruga with a jigsaw. Hot straight away. Oh, fucking hell. Slightly floral. Stink like fuck. As I'm chewing, I can feel it burning up my nose. Got quite a floral bit there right at the end. Like I said, I can feel it going up my nose. It's burning my nose as I was eating it. So at the end you get the floral bit. Oh, Jesus. At the moment it's like here sort of thing. I'm not saying nothing, but you know, at the minute it's not too bad. The way it was going down, I thought, Jesus, it's going to cripple me. So the heat's there, but there's nothing firing on all cylinders yet. I know what the two pods are. This should be killing me. You start to warm now. Like, it's weird. It's not all mouth burn, but it's like, if you know what I mean, it's like half the back of your mouth. This has really took me by surprise, this one. I thought this one was going to absolutely double me over. I'm not saying it's not hot, it is hot, but it's not causing me any discomfort. Oh, look, we're starting to move forward slightly until the middle of my tongue. It's now starting to drool. It might be a late start of this one. You know, some of them do. You think, yeah, there's nothing, this, and all of a sudden smack, it just does that. That happened to me with the bubble gum. Either last year, I think not last year, year before. But yeah, no. Now it's starting to build. Mouth drooling. Still middle of your throat. No, well, not middle of your throat. Middle of your mouth. So that's where some people go. They do every review. They'll do like 2 minutes. Then well, it's nothing. Go away. Then I say 2-3 minutes later. That's when it really smacks you up. And it's now building. We're on like 6 minutes now. Okay, now it's ramping up. At least it's not killing my tongue, that's one thing. It's like doing towards the back of my tongue now, towards my throat, but the front of your tongue is fucking horrible. This is one you could do some serious pranks with your mates. Just try this and think, yeah, that's fine. Like say 10 away, and then all of a sudden it smacks you. It's still going. Oh Jesus, it's not leaving it alone. I don't think it would, but knowing what the 2 pods are. Let me get some tissue. Oh fuck. It's now moving to the front. Now it's killing me. Oh Jesus. See, for a small pod, it's certainly kicking me ass, this one. See, it's not right at the front, it's like just slightly back of the front of the tongue. It's hurting like fuck. Some of these latest pods I've been doing, I've been going on a bit longer. This one's now come up to 9 minutes. Last night's was just over 10. Well, I think it's peaked. Just maintaining that fucking horrible fucking tongue. It's not right at the front, which I'm glad about, because that is fucking so painful, it's unbearable. It's like just slightly back. Like I say, the pod itself, you get a slight floral as you swallow it, and then you think, no, it's fine. It builds slightly to like the back of your throat, and it moves like all round, and it like stays just off centre towards the front. It's so weird how different peppers burn different parts of your mouth, your tongue, and that. Unless you've done it yourself, you don't realise. Because a lot of them that do, like the front of your tongue, it's just, it's like someone sticking acid on your tongue. It's horrible. And the throat burners, they tend to be like gut burners as well. This one's died down. So that's Dave Singleton's moruga crossed with a jigsaw. Hopefully tomorrow I'll either do Dennis's yellow barghurst or I'll be doing the Fatale jigsaw, depending on which, depending on how I am. Cheers, bye.